Hi, you are engaging in the ELA Guidebooks unit, The Lightning Thief. The purpose of this video is to learn about the religious beliefs of the people living in ancient Greece. This will help you better understand how myths are a central part in this religion of ancient Greece, which is a main focus in this unit when comparing a hero's journey in stories and myths. Be sure to have your handout available and something to write with for the video. Let's look at these images. What do you notice? In the first image, someone is holding something that looks like a rake. In the second image, someone is holding a lightning bolt. So, what do these images have to do with the religion of ancient Greece? This video will help you understand the religion of ancient Greece and its connection to the novel The Lightning Thief. Believe it or not, these images are an important part of the religion of ancient Greece. Where is ancient Greece? Take a look at this map. Let's find where we live, the United States. Now, look for Greece across the Atlantic Ocean. It is a small area in Europe. Now we'll zoom in a little closer to take a look at the country of Greece found in the yellow circles on this map. You probably noticed that Greece is surrounded by lots of water and is made up of many small islands. However, over 2,000 years ago, ancient Greece was much larger. It included land in all of these countries. Knowing where ancient Greece is located will be helpful when reading The Lightning Thief. The people that lived in ancient Greece nearly 2,500 years ago were known for their art, government, and creating large buildings. The Greeks were also known for their stories they told to one another called myths. During the Lightning Thief unit, you'll be reading myths or stories told by these ancient people. The people of ancient Greece had a religion that was based on polytheism. Let's take a look at the word polytheism to understand what it means. We will need to break apart the word. Let's look at the prefix poly, which means more than one or many. The root word theism means a belief in God or gods. So together, the word polytheism means a belief in more than one god. The ancient Greek people believed that there were many gods. We know that ancient Greeks believed in many gods. In Greek myths, we learn about gods like Zeus, who is the god of the sky and the king of gods. There were also goddesses, such as Athena. She was the goddess of wisdom. Both gods and goddesses shared some special characteristics. First, the ancient Greeks believed that gods can see into the future. Also, the Greeks believed their gods had supernatural powers. This means that they could use their godlike strength and their special tools like a lightning bolt to control the world. Finally, the Greeks believed that the gods will live forever. You will encounter many gods and goddesses when you read The Lightning Thief. Now you are ready to name 3 special characteristics of gods or goddesses. Pause this video to record your answers on your handout at the first stop sign. Then, hit play when you are ready to continue. These are the 3 special characteristics of gods and goddesses. The eye reminds us that the gods can see into the future. The lightning bolt reminds us that ancient Greeks believed that gods had supernatural powers. The clock reminds us that time goes on and on for the gods because they live forever. The ancient Greek people told myths to explain events in nature such as earthquakes. For example, one story tells of a god named Poseidon who rules over the sea. When he strikes the sea floor with his trident, large waves form. So the ancient Greeks worshipped these gods and told stories about how their supernatural powers could control the world. While reading The Lightning Thief, it would be helpful to know how humans and gods differ from one another and how they are alike. We know that humans will grow older and eventually die. However, the gods will live forever. just like Zeus, who sits on his throne forever. Also, we know that humans have the strength to move small things like rowing a boat, but the gods have supernatural powers that can control nature. Poseidon can move the oceans and the boats in the ocean by using his powers. There is one way that humans and gods are alike. The ancient Greek gods were known for showing emotions such as love, jealousy, and anger. Humans have the same emotions, and in this way, gods and humans are alike. Now you are ready to compare and contrast humans and gods using the diagram on your handout. Pause this video to record your answers on your handout at the second stop sign. Then hit play when you are ready to continue. Let's review the diagram. Here are the ways humans and gods are similar. Here are the ways humans and gods are different. Knowing about the ancient Greeks' religious beliefs is important for understanding the gods in Greek mythology. Think about the ancient Greeks' beliefs in gods as you read The Lightning Thief and other texts in this guidebook unit. When you have finished this video, be sure to turn in your completed handout to your teacher.